Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I hope you all have been wonderful. As you see it right there in that title, yes, I am bringing you another purse video because look, I can't stay away. Honestly, truly, I cannot stay away from handbags, purses, bags, totes, whatever you may call it. Super excited about this one I'm bringing to you guys. So if you'd like to see this video, definitely go ahead and stick around. What y'all know about it? Supermodel, fresh out of Air magazine, my home models. Well, so let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. So here it is. As you see, it is by Coach, and I have not opened anything yet. I did, of course, make sure it was the right bag because I would hate to come to this point and it not be the right. Here it is, the tags included. This is the authentic Coach purse that I got from the Coach outlet. Let me go ahead and take off wrapping. Yes, ma'am, I am excited. And here is in all its beauty and everything. So this purse is the Pace shoulder bag in the signature canvas style. Comes with, has this cute little Coach little keychain on there, like this in the inside. There is a zipper pocket right here. It's enough space. I love that, so stuff ain't just, you know, falling out the bag. My true honesty, this is like first reaction type of thing. I am in love, and I'm very, very happy that it came looking just like how I saw in the picture, because I was worried. I was like, what if I get this and I don't really like it? Like, I also got a wallet, so let's go ahead and bring that out. This is the wallet. You got type of girl that has to be matchy. Let's do a one and done kind of thing. It ain't never really a one and done, but to match the vibe of the bag. This is the wallet that I got to match the purse. Lots of different slits for all the cards you may have. Another slit right here. And of course, there's another slit here. You can put all your coins in. And the tag for this wallet. This is the style wallets I usually go for because I usually have a lot of cards. And sometimes I'll be putting receipts, and I try not to, but somehow they end up in there. Try to keep this less receiptless, okay? That's what we're gonna try to do. This is it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I get everything in here. Know how organized I like to keep my purse. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this is how the bag is looking on. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Very cute, very demure. Okay, so this is the crossbody style, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on the shoulder real quick. All right, y'all, this is it on the shoulder, just like that. I have it all the way on the last like notch. You can have it for a shoulder bag, like it either way. this concludes the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my Coach unboxing / review. And until next time, you guys, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all. Take care.